What is that one thing that you look for in a logistics company for that heavy and high-valued cargo of yours? Experience, a professional team, the clientele, accolades and certificates? Well, that's right. All of it matters a lot. But the one thing that can neither be manipulated nor be bought is trust. An empire of wealth that can never be inherited or bought.
And we, Jasim Brothers, exist because our group have been anchoring trust since 1978. JSL Global Freight arm of group. Jasim Shipping and Logistics Global is a holistic logistics company based out of Qatar, established in 2012. As part of Jasim Brothers Group, JSL Global was initially started as freight arm of Jasim Customs Clearance and Freight Company.
But it was soon that we started expanding our wings by foraying into myriad other logistics-related services, like chemical logistics and DG cargo handling, project cargo, freight forwarding, and cold chain management. Headquartered in Qatar, JSL Global has its offices in various Middle East and Asian countries like
Oman, Myanmar, India and JV Company in Dubai, with a total employee strength of 48 plus. In fact, Jasim Customs is among top 3 custom brokers operating at Hamad Port, Doha Airport and Ruwais Port. JSL Global is also a proud owner of 47 plus transportation trucks
that are reined by a persistent force of dedicated drivers who tirelessly work towards delivering your expectations of safe and timely goods delivery at your doorstep, irrespective of the weather condition. One of the JSL Global sister concern is also certified with a trading license and a chemical warehouse, which also makes us eligible of your trust when it comes to importing those DDP shipment of yours with utter ease. We've pledged to serve you with the best and as much as we can. And well, that also includes an online tool which helps you to get an instant quote for your DDP import to Qatar. Along with trust, JSL Global also believes in transparency and hence, we offer a 360-degree online visibility of all the details that a client is concerned with, which includes everything from the e-documentation to landed cost, applied port and custom charges, shipping line charges and a lot more. We commenced our journey into logistics with custom brokerage and hence, amidst all the rising complexities surrounding customs brokerage, JSL Global, equipped with all our decade-long experience and expertise, finds it to be a swift deal over handling varied types of projects, be it a containerized one, break bulk or RoRo. Maybe that is why, unlike you, the government also trusts for our integrity. This makes both the airport and land-based custom clearance process a smooth one across the entire Middle Eastern region. Cold chain management and DG cargo are another set of logistics services that require a high amount of involvement and precision. And we at JSL Global are well equipped to serve you with both the services in a way that leaves you stress-free. Our chemical storage in Qatar is amongst a handful of privately owned hazardous chemical handling facility in the entire Doha. While the streamlined supply chain and well-designed storage spaces and transport vehicles of JSL adds up to make our cold chain management service an unparalleled one in the entire Middle East. Not to forget the smart and precautionary attitude of our proficient team on the site. For it's their undeterred efforts that brush away the imperilment involved in the process. JSL has a dedicated team of professionals who aces at delivering all project logistics needs and handling an array of heavy project cargoes, including
TBM, cable drums, cryogenic tanks, transformers, construction equipment, oil and gas pipes, generators, heat exchangers, etc. Doha now holds the Guinness World Record for operating the highest number of tunnel boring machines in a single city at one time, Qatar Rail has announced. The country was running all 21 of its massive TBMs, which have been steadily digging underground to make way for the upcoming Doha Metro. In fact, JSL Global is proud to be a part of 50% of all export of Doha Metro project and glad to share that out of 21 TBMs export, 11 TBMs export was handled by JSL.
JSL Global and team has been serving a range of several other logistic services like event logistics, freight forwarding, container trading, warehousing and distribution, and others. The Doha Jewelry and Watch Exhibition was one such colossal exhibition that we are a proud part of. In fact, being trusted for such an expensive lot of gold, diamond and silver jewelry's transportation is an intangible asset that we have earned.
JSL Global Qatar has handled 3 prestigious music tour logistics in 2018, 2019. One for Cinderella show in Qatar, one in Suzhou, China, and one for prestigious UN Day New York concert.
Real efforts never go unnoticed, they say. And we are glad ours too gets on recognized in different areas from time to time.